Do you think learning English is hard? What if I tell you that one page a day, one sentence a day, and one small habit can completely change your future? This is not a lesson. This is a real-life story, my family, my daily routine, and how I slowly learned English step by step. Stay with me till the end, because this story might change the way you learn English forever. Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my video. Today, I want to share a very personal and meaningful story with you. This is the story of my family and how I practice English every single day. It is not just my life story, but also a learning journey. It shows how daily practice, even very small steps, can slowly change your future. So please listen carefully until the end, because this story may inspire you to practice English with confidence and hope. I live in a small town where life is simple and peaceful. My house is not big or expensive, but it is full of love, warmth, and care. My family is small, with only 3 members, my father, my mother, and me. We are not rich, but we are truly happy together. In our home, we respect each other, support each other, and always try to stay positive, even during difficult times. My father is a very hard-working man. Every morning, he wakes up early, even before the sun rises. He gets ready quietly and leaves for work with a strong sense of responsibility. He works in an office where he helps many people every day. Sometimes he comes home tired, but he never complains. Instead, he smiles and says, "Remember, hard work always brings success." His words teach me patience, discipline, and the value of effort. My mother is kind, loving, and very caring. She takes care of our home with great dedication. She cooks delicious food for us every day and makes sure everything is clean and organized. She also helps me with my homework and studies. Whenever I feel sad or confused, she hugs me gently and says, "Don't worry, my son. Try again. You will do better." Her soft words give me courage, strength, and confidence to move forward. My parents always remind me to study well and never give up on learning. They tell me that education is my true power and the key to a better life. I listen to their advice carefully because I know they want the best for me. Deep inside my heart, I dream of making them proud one day by becoming a successful and confident person. I study at a school in my town. It is not very big, but it is clean, friendly, and full of positive energy. The classrooms are neat, and the teachers care about their students. We also have a playground where we enjoy playing football and cricket with our friends. There is a small library too, filled with many interesting books. I love spending time there because reading helps me learn new words and ideas. My teachers are very supportive and kind. They explain lessons slowly and clearly, so everyone can understand. When we make mistakes, they do not get angry. Instead, they encourage us and help us improve. My favorite subject is English because it connects me to people all around the world. Through English, I can read stories, watch videos, and understand new cultures. My English teacher is my favorite teacher. He is friendly, patient, and always motivating. He often says, "English is not difficult. You just need to practice every day." He gives us small and easy tasks, like writing 5 sentences daily, speaking English with friends, and reading 1 page from a book. I try my best to follow his advice. At school, I speak English with my friends. Sometimes we laugh at our mistakes, but our teacher always reminds us, mistakes are the best teachers. Don't stop. Keep going. After school, I return home and wash my hands. My mother serves me lunch, and we talk about our day. After resting for a short time, I sit at my study table. I complete my homework for all subjects and then spend extra time practicing English. I read, write, and speak a little every day. Step by step, my confidence grows. This is how my daily practice helps me move closer to my dreams, one small effort at a time. Then I begin my daily English practice with a calm and positive mind. First, I read one short English story. I read slowly and try to understand the meaning, not just the words. After that, I choose 5 new words from the story. I write these words in my notebook and make one short sentence for each word. Then I read my sentences aloud. This helps me improve my pronunciation and speaking confidence. When I hear my own voice in English, I feel more comfortable and less afraid. Sometimes, to make learning more interesting, I watch English cartoons or short videos. I listen carefully to how the characters speak. I notice their pronunciation, their tone, and their expressions. I try to copy their style and repeat their sentences. This method is fun, and it helps me learn faster without feeling bored. Learning English becomes enjoyable, not stressful. At night, my father sits beside me for a few minutes. He asks me to tell him a short story in English. I speak slowly and clearly, doing my best to remember the words. Sometimes I forget a word or make a mistake, but my father always smiles and says, "Don't worry, you are doing great. Just keep practicing." His encouragement gives me confidence and reminds me that progress is more important than perfection. Every Sunday, I make a simple weekly plan in my notebook, and I write it in English. My plan is easy but powerful. I promise myself to read at least 1 page every day, write 5 new words, make short sentences, speak to myself in English, and listen to English audio or videos. This plan keeps me focused and disciplined. I also write my goals. My biggest goal is to speak English fluently. I want to travel to other countries, meet new people, and talk to them confidently in English. I want to learn about different cultures, ideas, and ways of life. Sometimes learning is not easy. Some days I feel lazy. Some days I feel tired. But when these feelings come, I remember my teacher's words, "Practice makes you perfect." Even when I feel sleepy, I still read 1 page. This is my small promise to myself, and I try to keep it every day. I dream of becoming an English teacher one day. I want to teach children and help them believe in themselves. I want to tell them, "Don't be afraid. Speak slowly. Speak with courage. English is your friend." I also dream of writing my own English stories and publishing them in books. I want people from around the world to read my stories and feel happy, hopeful, and motivated. Now, my dear friends, I want to tell you something from my heart. If I can learn English, you can learn it too. I was very shy before, and I was afraid to speak. But now I try every single day. I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. I make mistakes, but I learn from them. Please do not give up. Read 1 page every day. Write 1 sentence every day. Talk to yourself in front of the mirror. Watch easy English videos and repeat again and again. Do not feel shy. Do not feel afraid. We all make mistakes, and mistakes are the steps to success. One day, you will speak English with confidence. You will talk to people from different countries, and you will feel proud and happy. I believe in myself, and I also believe in you. We can learn together. We can grow together. We can make our dreams come true. If this story touched your heart, remember this: English is not about being perfect. It is about being brave enough to try. I started with fear, mistakes, and slow words, but I never stopped. And today, I believe in myself. Now I want you to believe in yourself too. Read one page today. Speak one sentence today. Start small, but start now. If you are learning English and dreaming of a better future, you are not alone. We are learning together here on Silver Narratives. Subscribe, keep practicing, and never stop believing. Your English journey starts today. See you in the next story.